How to create a poll on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on the chat where you want to create a poll. In here, click on the clip like option at the bottom. After you click on the clip like option at the bottom, it will open all these options. Here, click on poll. After you've clicked on poll, you can ask question. Simply type in your question. Now, at the bottom, you'll find options. Add your options. You can add as much as you want. If you want to allow multiple answers, turn it on. If not, turn it off. Now, click on the arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen and send it. After you send it, the poll has been sent and created. And this is how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.